Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will be cooking fresh wild caught salmon. Okay, this is one of the seasons that I will be using, and this is organic dill weed. This has a great taste. You need to try it. Now there's a strong taste with the organic dill weed, so you might want to use only 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon. It depends on how much fish you are cooking. Okay, now you see this is the only amount that I'm using, so we have to be very careful. Another seasoning that I like to use, of course, is my garlic herbs. Okay, here's all my veggie black pepper. Also, we want some heat. And so, don't forget your crushed red pepper. I love to have some heat on my food. Okay, next we are going to add a little brown sugar. I love that sweet and sour taste. Okay, next we are going to make sure you use that garlic powder. It's going to give it a great taste. I usually use onion powder as well, but today you have to do without. Put as much garlic as you can. There goes some minced garlic as well. Okay, I also use a little cayenne pepper. Now, if you like a lot of heat, you can use as much as you can. Okay. Next is some organic paprika. And I'm going to use just a little bit of salt. Just a little. To bring out that salmon flavor. Okay, we are going to add some turmeric as well. Just a little because it has a strong taste. Let me open it here. Okay, next you're going to give this a stir. And we're going to put some olive oil in it. And what we're going to do, we're going to put some gloves on and we are going to baste our salmon. Okay, here's the organic olive oil. You can put as much as you want. It depends on how much oil you want on your fish. But when you air fry it, it won't be sticking to the grill. Okay, let's mix this together. Smells good. I think I'll put a little more oil on it. Okay, I think this is about just right to make sure it sticks to the fish. When it cooks, it won't fall off and you lose some of your seasoning. Okay, now you're going to put some gloves on it. And we are going to baste our fish. I'm going to take this good seasoning with that olive oil. Now that I have my gloves on, I am going to baste my fish. Put it on real good so you have that good flavor. So this is going to be very, very good. Turn it on the other side. Sitting on top of that while you won't lose any. And you can baste the rest of the fish on the other side. Okay guys, now that I have my fish seasoned, I'm going to add 2 slices of lemon. I love that lemon taste. This will give it a lot of flavor. Okay, now that we are ready to cook our fish, we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. We're going to get the fish, and it'll be at 320 degrees. So here, our brown rice. This is 1 cup of rice. And I'm going to also add some turmeric in this rice so I can have some turmeric rice. Okay, all you do is you add your rice, and of course it depends on how much rice you're cooking. You add your water, and then I usually, just to have that turmeric rice, I usually shake a little bit inside the rice before I start cooking. And this is all it takes for you to have your turmeric rice. Cut it on, and we're going to steam it until it is tender. Okay, my rice is steaming. It is cooking. This is a small rice cooker that I always use. Okay guys. Boy, do that turmeric rice look real good. It's almost done, so. Okay, these are some frozen vegetables that I will be cooking. I will be steaming these vegetables. So whatever vegetable that you like, you can add to your meal, but you got to have your vegetables. Okay, so we will be steaming these vegetables, the broccoli and carrots, for about 8 minutes in the steamer. Okay, don't forget to put your water in it so it will steam. Okay, sometimes I put a little seasoning. So here's a little black pepper I'm going to add. And I'm going to also add some olive oil, so I can have a good taste on my vegetables. And I'm also add some herb seasoning. Okay, here's the herb seasoning. I love this 24 herbs and spices. It makes your vegetables taste real good. And don't forget, add your olive oil or a little butter if you eat butter. Okay, let's put on our steamer. This is our vegetables. So click steam, and we put it for about 9 minutes since it's broccoli and carrots. Okay, now that my fish is done, I am going to use my temperature monitor to make sure it is done. Yes, it is well done. Okay. Boy, do that look good. Yes. It is now time to sit and enjoy. Okay, the turmeric rice looks real good. It's almost done. Just a few more minutes. Okay, here's the finished dish. Now I am going to set my table and I am going to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video.